In our garden we have a Jacaranda tree, and every night we have about 20 native minor birds which come to roost in the tree. And they roost on, the majority of them roost on the lower branches, and you can almost touch them. There's 3 or 4 on a branch, and they snuggle up together, and that's where they stay for the night.
One, two, three there.
I believe that there's an umbrella, and when it rains they snuggle up underneath the leaves, and that's where they stay for the night. These are wild birds. They're not tame in any way, but because of the way that the branches sag down and they pick all the lower branches, as I said, you can almost touch them, or you can touch them, and they just sit there and roost for the night. It's really good to see. There's another 1 or 2 there. Oh, the light's a bit bright. There's another 2 or 3 there. And they just sit there on the branches. There's another 2 there. Thanks for watching.
These birds just sit there in the tree.